It was fearless batting, and that is what the youngsters of today are all about. They play the ball, and like Vaibhav Suryavanshi very importantly said in the post-match while receiving his Man of the Match award, he just plays the ball, not the bowler, and that is how it has to be. Ishant Sharma, Rashid Khan, Prasidha Krishna, who eventually yocked him for 101, but by then he had just taken the match away from Gujarat Titans. And helplessly, Gujarat Titans captain Shubman Gill had to watch from outside the boundary line as he was down with back spasm and did not want to take a chance, as there was a match in a couple of days for Gujarat Titans. So Rashid Khan was the acting captain on the field, and he could do nothing as Vaibhav Suryavanshi went berserk, hitting sixes at will to almost all parts of the ground, especially the mid-wicket square leg region, pulling, and even there was a full toss that he flicked to square leg for 6. Unbelievable shots from this 14-year-old baby of IPL. It also showed his maturity, the way he was ready to take on the bowlers and also dominate, take charge of the run chase, and even as Yashasvi Jaiswal scored his 5th half century of this IPL and 4th in the last 5 innings, the other one being 49. Yashasvi Jaiswal just simply watched and applauded every stroke that Vaibhav Suryavanshi played, encouraging him to play his natural game, and that mattered the most in the end.